Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful Mac tip: how to show hidden files on your Mac in 2025. Whether you're a developer, a power user, or just someone trying to clean up your system, knowing how to reveal those sneaky hidden files can save you a ton of time and frustration. Let's get started. First things first, hidden files on Mac are files that start with a dot, like ds_store, and they're usually tucked away for a reason: to protect your system from accidental changes. But sometimes, you need to access them. The easiest way is through the Terminal app, which is built into every Mac. Step 1. Open Terminal. You can find it by searching in Spotlight. Just press Command plus space, type Terminal, and hit Enter. Once it's open, type in this command: defaults right com. Apple. Finder Apple show all files bool true. Then, press Enter. Step 2. To make the changes take effect, you need to restart Finder. In the same terminal window, type Finder and hit Enter. Poof! Your Finder should relaunch, and now hidden files will be visible in every folder you open. If you want to hide them again, just reverse the process. In Terminal, type defaults right com. Apple. Finder Apple show all files bool false, followed by Finder. Easy peasy. One quick tip for 2025. With the latest macOS updates, you might also see options in system settings under privacy and security, but the terminal method remains the most reliable. Remember, always be careful when messing with hidden files. They're hidden for a reason, so don't delete anything unless you're sure. There you have it, you've now mastered showing hidden files on your Mac. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.